Cynthia Bradley, Leon King.
Yes, here.
All right, Mr. King, got to turn your camera on. Got to turn your camera on.
I'm trying. I don't know.
It's been on this whole time. All right, now take yourself off mute. Both of you. Both of y'all. Y'all swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give is the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, I do.
Okay. Mr. King, you're gonna have to take yourself off mute. Let me see you, not your ceiling. I need you to say yes. I just swore you in.
Yeah, I'm here.
Go ahead. Okay.
I'm here.
Ms. Bradley, start with the most recent event, work backwards. Please be specific and please stick to the facts of what he did to you.
Okay, Leon King is my brother. He lives on the property at 5700 Spence Circle, where my 93-year-old mother lives. But I am her guardian and I hold the power of attorney over her.
What he did.
What he did, and I have a video to show it.
Okay, and this can you share your screen?
Okay. And right here. Is it on?
What's this video of? I don't see it. You're not sharing your screen.
Can you see it?
No, ma'am, you're not sharing your screen yet. Got to figure out how to share your screen.
Okay, hold on.
All right, why are you doing that? All right, what is this video of? Your brother, what's he doing? If there's audio, you got to put share audio too. I can't hear you.
Okay, he is talking to me.
Okay, share the audio. Hold on. Share the audio, back up, play it with the audio playing, and don't talk over it. Let me watch it. So back it up, rewind it. We got to share the audio with it. All right, now play. Okay.
Okay. Where am I? Can you put it?
What day was that video?
Okay, that was on March the 3rd. It was on a Friday. This was at my mother's house. I am, like I said, my mother's legal guardian.
Got that. What else has he done?
Well, he has done this on numerous occasions. This is the time that I had been having my phone to record him doing it. I am just tired of him, and I'm afraid that he will.
Your mother afraid?
Well, my mother had called me, this is a few months ago, because he plays music real loud, and she has been concerned, but no, she's not afraid of him, but I have to take care of her. I have to be at my house.
Has he ever threatened to hurt you?
Well, just as far as getting in my face, saying horrible things to me, like he had that beer bottle. I mean, he could have hit me with that.
Okay, Mr. King, let me hear from you. Take yourself off mute, Mr. King. Take yourself off mute.
Okay, now you can speak. Go ahead.
She on this.
She can hear you now.
I
Ma'am,
need to see your face. Turn your camera back on. Go ahead.
turn the camera back. Now, see, I don't know about.
Okay,
Okay.
just 1 second.
Okay, leave your camera on and just speak. All you gotta do, hand him his phone.
Ma'am, can you see me now?
No, I can't.
She can't still see. She can't see me. She can't hear me.
I can hear you. Stop turning the camera off.
No, ma'am, I'm not doing anything to the camera.
Well, it's on, then it's off, then it's on, then it's somebody. I'm not doing it. I can't.
Well, can you see me, ma'am?
No,
Hello? Ma'am,
no, I cannot see you.
she can't see me.
She can't see him.
Is anybody ready that knows what they're doing? Anybody? Well, how Bonius, you couldn't make your stuff getting going at first. Now all of a sudden you got audio.
I'm ready, Judge.
Oh, easy now. Bring him in here. Bring Mr. King in. We got a deputy. Get a deputy up here and bring Mr. King in this courtroom with a deputy. I'm gonna get back to you. It's free. Get a deputy and bring Mr. King in my courtroom with a deputy.
They're right here.
Get a deputy now. I know it. Get a deputy right now.
Wait, she's saying
Just
get a
stand by,
deputy.
Mr. King. I'm gonna hear from you, but I'm gonna hear from you right in here. I'm even gonna invite this little camera right here. I gotta bring in here, but I gotta have a deputy. It's gonna bring you in here.
Let me get my stuff.
Just hold on, Mr. King. We're gonna get a deputy in here.
Yeah,
Hold on, we're gonna get a deputy in here so I can hear you. You're gonna stand right here in front of me. So just have a seat.
yes, ma'am. All right.
All right. Okay. Who's ready? All right, all right, Mr. Giles. Try this. Nope. Let's try this one.
Mr. Giles here.
Where's the Amy Bengriet? Miss Amy Bengriet, raise your right hand for me. Take yourself off mute. You swear affirm testimony about to give the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth. Take yourself off mute. Miss Amy. Take yourself off mute. Take yourself off of mute. Thank you. Whatever you got in your mouth, spit it out. Take it. Okay. You swear affirm the testimony you're about to give is the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes.
Is everything right? And we got him here, right? Kevin didn't show up, right? Everything in your petition true and correct.
Kevin's on Rice Street.
Now we know that. Just reset her for a jail date, Miss Free. Place your email in the chat. We're gonna send you a new notice for a jail date. You can go ahead and leave.
Okay.
Place your email in the chat.
Okay.
Counsel, you want a job like mine right now?
I thought I learned how to practice patience with a new dog the other day, and I can suggest that I have not learned patience at all. God bless you.
I don't know what in the world's happening there. All right, hey, bring Leon in. Bring the man in here. Let's see how he's doing, because I hear he's stumbling drunk. Come on, Mr. King.
can go right up to the
Turn this off.
You can turn your phone off and you can sit down at that table. You can turn your phone off. How much you had to drink today, Mr. King? You have drank absolutely nothing. If I do a whiz quiz up here, you're gonna pass it. You been taking any drugs? Two beers. So you decide you're gonna drink a couple of beers before you come to court. But that's before you came to court, because you've been sitting out there for, you're on the 11 o'clock calendar, right? So what time did you drink these two beers? 4 o'clock this morning. You come up here drinking. How'd you do it? Y'all done a some field sobriety test? Because I can go back to my days and do one. Y'all did it. See how he's doing. Heel to toe. Do some little field sobriety testing on it. Either one of y'all field sobriety certified? Are you? Go ahead and try.
I bet Justin Spiesman can do it.
I bet he can. I tell you what, sir. Come right here. Right here in front of this wall. Come in front of the podium. Watch this. I'm going back to my good old days. That's it. Come here. Thank you, Dad. Ready? I want you to take 5 steps. Toe to toe. 1, 2, 3. Listen. 4, 5. Down, down. Turn around and do it again. Heel to toe. Okay. Heel to toe. Yell out loud.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now what's this? Touch every finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. You did so good on that one. Oh yeah. Yeah, don't move your head. Did you drive up here? Did you drive up here? How did you get here? I suggest you not drive going back. Yeah, that's what I suggest you do. Mr. Spiesman, you didn't get to see me do my field sobriety test.
Judge, I was really looking forward to that too. I'd wonder if you still remembered your SFSD training.
I do. 2
That's
beers.
surprising.
All right, hold on a second. Look at this on this one. Mr. Leon, I'm gonna leave it up to these deputies if they think that you shouldn't have showed up here drinking like you're drinking, because that shows absolutely, I have no patience for that. And trust me, out of the day, I'm sitting up here, I'm the one that needs a drink. Huh? I do. Because look, when I do this, if I unmute this, you hear it's like echo, echo, echo. If I bring the podium in here, because it's supposed to be over here from the podium. The podium's in here. I hear it, echo, all that, and it's muted. Now, I just needed Mr. King in here. I mean, you can work on it later if you want to. But do you see what the problem is? It's something you can fix right now? Do what? No. No. Down. And if I okay, everybody. Miss Bradley. Tell me what else he did to put you in fear. Ms. King, today ain't the day. Ms. Bradley,
Yes, I'm sorry.
tell me what else he's done to put you in fear.
Yes, every time quite a few times I go to my mom's house, he does the same thing. He wants to be in my face. He's saying horrible things to me. Now, my mother's 93. She has Alzheimer's. She can't speak for herself, so I am the one that she appointed me her voice.
I got it. All right, Mr. King. Go ahead. Let me hear from you. What do you have to say? That you mean talk, make sure we can hear you through that microphone.
She breathed in and she infected, and she had a one tooth down. She had cancer and on dialysis. She passed a man and lived. And then she destroyed my business. I have my business. They destroyed the business and they built it. And 2 years later, I was in all kind of lawsuits. All kinds of lawsuits, you know, because they ran all these deals over my name. And that's why basically I'm so upset with it.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get this back on track. Explain the video that I saw. The video that I saw.
Video. Our water went out. It was froze. She called 10 points. I think someone told her to see her. We have no water. My mama didn't have no water. I went out, got some buckets. She didn't get on one gallon water. I went out, got some buckets, brought everybody some water. Our water was off for a long time, couple weeks. Then council finally came out.
Why did you show out? Why did you act like that in the video?
Well,
Why did you act like that in the video?
She thinks everything has to go through her. No, I've been seeing it resident for 30 and maintaining it for 30 plus years. I'm the only one that keeps that resident. I take prayers, I get pain, I take the prayers, do everything. So that's my mom.
Your mama is 96 years old,
93.
93 with dementia or Alzheimer's, and you go out at her house and you act like that.
No, I would.
Where was that video? Wasn't that at your mama's house? But that was working the way you were talking. Keep going.
Now, let's go show and shook our heads. I don't care. And that's what made me upset. But she didn't tell about ruining my life. She didn't tell nothing about ruining the hood. You know, a lot of people like, you know, she is a control freak. I can think of all stuff about this. You know, I mean, I love her because she's my sister, but she got some nasty things. And I have not.
Miss Bradley, what is it you're asking for?
I'm asking, Your Honor, for the TPO, and I would like for him to move out of the residence because he's not going to get any better. I don't live there, but he has a house right next on the property. I would like to have him
move out of his house.
It's my mother's house.
Is she living there?
Yes, ma'am, she is.
You live in the house, and do you live in the house and act like this with your mother?
It's the guest
You
house.
can live in the same house.
It's the
Why am I
guest
gonna
house
put him
right
out on the
next to
street?
it. I'm sorry.
Why would I put him out on the street if he doesn't have a place to go, if he's staying in a guest house? He's not staying in her house.
The house is on her property. I just want to
I
feel
know
safe.
what a guest house is.
Yes, ma'am. I want to feel safe when I go to have to see about my mother. I could go over there at midnight if they call me, if they need me. He makes me feel unsafe. He was waving that beer bottle. He could have hit me with it. I don't know what he would do.
I'll tell you what.
Everybody, he's a bully
Hey,
for
stop
one thing.
talking. Stop talking.
Okay.
What do y'all do when folks show up like this at the courthouse? Because I smell alcohol on you. You drank more than 2 beers and you did it more than at 4 a.m. So why don't you come clean? Because it will help you a lot more if you shoot straight with me. You drank them before 4 a.m. You didn't drink those beers at 4 a.m. And just start drinking beer. Why do I still smell it? I was thinking about reading your rights and putting you in contempt, but tell what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let these deputies, because they don't want to do the paperwork, make sure that you get an Uber. Drive that car off and you're gonna go to jail for DUI. You don't need to be driving, I'm telling you. I ain't a cop no more, but I did do my field sobriety test because I know him. And if you don't, Mr. Spies in here, if you get that DUI, does good DUI defense, you probably want to call him. Make sure he doesn't drive away from this place, will y'all? Get him out of here. Don't you ever show back up at this courthouse drinking. And be glad I'm in a good mood. Get him out of my face. I'll put this in place. Stay away from your sister when she's up there and have a little respect for your mother. I understand, but don't show out like that with your mama there. She needs you. That's fine. Ms. Bradley, put both of y'all's emails in there. I'll get it somewhere where I can send him this.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Put your email address in there and somewhere, an address that we can send Mr. King his copy.
Okay, so is it?
I'm putting it in place, ma'am.
Okay, thank you
Stay
so much.
away from you. But he's not, I mean, he's there. He helps take care of the property. He's gonna stay away from you when he comes there. I'm not
Okay.
making him move out. He's gonna stay at least 20 feet away from you. You got it?
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay.
do.
Put your email in the chat. Once you do, you can leave and put somewhere that we can send a copy to Mr. King. If there's an address.
Your Honor,
you
may I
want-
ask you one question?
No, you can't. I
Please.
just want you, no. You
Okay,
really can't.
all
I'm
right.
sorry. It's a long day. And people
I
know,
understand.
this is in place. I'm not making him move. He obviously takes care of that property.
No, ma'am, he doesn't. The property
Well,
looks,
okay, he said, I don't have proof that he does.
okay,
If there's a
all right.
woman with dementia or Alzheimer's who needs everybody to come up around her, and if you ain't cutting the grass, he can live in that guest house, but he can't come within 20 feet of you if you're there. If he does, he will go to jail. If he shows back up here at the courthouse again and walks into this courtroom drunk, he's gonna go to jail then. Now, place your email in the chat and please place
I
an
will. Thank you.
address where we can mail a copy to Mr. King. Thank you.
Thank you.